Hey you guys, yeah, so my e-bike got stolen. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, so yeah, this is a week ago. I guess I was so shocked. We were so shocked and angered by it. But anyway, here's Lisa's e-bike was cable locked on this side right here, kind of like right here. Her white e-bike. This is what we came home to last Sunday. And it was during the day. We went up to Cave Creek for 3-4 hours, or actually 1 till 5 it was. Came back. I noticed the cover was off. Came around here. Bike was padlocked, even back here. So you could barely see it from the street. You could barely see it from the street. This was laying just like this. Cable cut. So we got a thief in the neighborhood. So I probably shouldn't even show you this because in case she's watching the channel, she's just a few houses down. But she'll probably come break into the topper here. Not her, whoever she had did it, do it for.
Well, you only think, you're not sure.
Well,
Put this in there.
okay, yeah. So I guess I don't even think I've ever asked you, but I've never had anything like of that much significance. I mean, those took $1,200, you know, with tax and that.
No.
Boom.
No, I've never had something stolen like that I recall, no.
Horrible feeling. It took. I didn't even touch the channel or do anything for a few days, but just sickening. Just a sickening feeling, and I have a suspect. They were very curious. She was very curious about the bikes, and was always looking to see where they were and say, oh, you make sure you better lock those up because there's bike thieves in here. And I told her that it's cable locked to the back bumper, which I never should have done. Yeah, broad daylight, Sunday afternoon, and I went. The neighbor on this side over here, talked to him, see if he saw anything. This neighbor here. You know, I guess they could have been gone or whatever, but that's pretty brazen. Broad daylight, Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, there was just a community craft show go on in here, and not too long before that there was a kind of like a community yard sale going on, and so there had also been a lot of traffic coming and going.
There hasn't been that much outside traffic on,
It's
on
been
this
enough.
road.
I mean, you know,
No,
people are
she-
scoping it out. That's, you know.
I suspect her. But you know, whatever. I can't prove it. We are gonna. I've been researching getting a security system. You know, cameras around it. You know, because if we don't have the e-bikes cable locked to the bumper, the $1,000 generator will be cable locked to the bumper.
Right, you know, as we are spending more time on the road, we are acquiring more things and more expensive things, and so a security system is we're ready to go to that step.
Yeah. So anyway, that was a pretty negative thing last week. yeah, this should be Wednesday. You're seeing this. For you, it happened not this past Sunday, but the Sunday before. So, and I do have another video getting scheduled to go out on Saturday that was even before this happened. So, but anyway, okay, that's enough negative. We'll let you know. I've still got to find out from insurance if they might cover it. You know, fingers crossed. Because I want to get another one. I mean, only had that about 10 days, and you know, Lisa's got hers. So anyway, okay, no more negative stuff. So anyway, we got some more stuff planned. We think we're going to be out of here in just a couple more weeks, 3-4 more weeks, and you know, we love it here. You know, so I don't want to say it like that, but we want to be on the road.
Definitely, we're ready. We're ready to get out of Arizona. We need to go someplace.
We are ready to get back on the exploring adventures on the road. So anyway, that's going to be a short one tonight. Just want to let you guys know what happened. I'm feeling better about it. You know, probably never going to feel good about it, but anyway, it's done. It's done. Move forward. Try to get the insurance for it, and then figure out how to buy another one. So appreciate you guys. Love y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that notification bell.
And we'll see you on our next adventure.
See you in a few days. Bye.
Bye.